Blockchain, Tokenomics, Onboarding series. Hello and welcome to our video on the topic of tokenomics and cryptocurrency. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that tokenomics refers to the economic principles and mechanisms that govern the behavior of a specific cryptocurrency. In other words, it's the study of how the supply, demand, and distribution of tokens within a blockchain network affect its overall value and stability. A crucial aspect of tokenomics is the total token supply. This refers to the maximum number of tokens that will ever be created within the network. For example, Bitcoin has a maximum token supply of 21 million, which means that once all 21 million Bitcoins have been mined, no more will ever be created. This scarcity can drive up the demand for the token, leading to a potential increase in its value. Another vital aspect is the token distribution. This refers to how the tokens are initially distributed among the network's participants. Some projects may have a small, centralized group of founders and early investors who hold a majority of tokens, while others may have a more decentralized distribution through a public sale or airdrop. A more decentralized distribution can increase trust in the network, as it means that no one group holds too much power. Additionally, tokenomics can include incentives for the network participants, such as mining rewards or staking rewards. These incentives not only promote network security but also encourage network growth. We should pay attention to the use case. Most importantly, tokenomics can also include the token's use case within the network. For example, a token used as a utility token within a decentralized application can have a different tokenomics than a token that serves as a store of value. Another interesting piece is if a token has a burn function in place. Burn baby, burn. A burn function, also known as a token burn, is a mechanism used in cryptocurrency to reduce the overall supply of tokens in circulation. This is achieved by destroying a portion of the tokens, making them permanently unavailable for use. There are several reasons why a project may choose to implement a burn function. One of the main reasons is to increase the value of the remaining tokens by decreasing the supply. As the law of supply and demand states, when the supply of a good decreases and the demand remains the same, the price of that good will increase. This can lead to an increase in the value of the token for its holders. Another reason for implementing a burn function is to combat inflation. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have a hard-coded maximum supply limit, but others, like Ethereum, have the ability to mint new tokens through a process called mining. In such cases, a burn function can be used to reduce the overall supply of tokens and prevent inflation. Burn functions can be implemented in different ways. For example, a project can burn tokens that are held by the team, or tokens that are used as a payment for transaction fees. Some projects also offer a buyback program where they use a portion of the revenue to purchase and burn tokens. It's worth noting that the burn function is not a common feature in all cryptocurrencies, and it's important to research the specific tokenomics of a project before investing. Also, not all burns are equal and some may have different implications than others. It's important to evaluate the reasoning and the transparency behind the burn function before making any investment decision. Overall, the burn function is a mechanism used in cryptocurrency to reduce the overall supply of tokens in circulation and can be used to increase the value of the remaining tokens and combat inflation. It's important to research and understand the specific tokenomics of a project before investing. We understand that tokenomics is a complex and ever-evolving field, and we strive to provide our viewers with the latest and most accurate information. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We value your input and would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. We hope that you found the information provided to be insightful and informative. Understanding the economic principles and mechanisms that govern a specific cryptocurrency can help you make more informed decisions when it comes to investing or using a particular token. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more content on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in the future. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.